Dear students, in the last part we have studied the different types of error, that is how to calculate the percentage error. Now the next part is how to combine the error. Error हा कसा combine करायचा, म्हणजे समजा तुम्ही काय घेतलं, if we have to find the force acting on a particle by gravitational law, then we measure the masses of the two objects and the distance between them. Then if we individually calculate the percentage error in mass m1, in mass m2, and the percentage error in the measurement of distance r between the two masses. Now how to combine these errors, that is error in mass m1, error in mass m2 and error in distance, to find the percentage error in the force. So this is the next problem, that is how to combine error when a physical quantity is expressed as a sum or difference of two physical quantities, or if the fundamental quantity is expressed as product or division of two or more physical quantities. So next article is the combination of errors. The first case is error in sum and in difference. So if the given physical quantity is expressed as a sum or difference of two physical quantities similar, then how to combine error? So here first of all we will see in sum, let delta A and delta B be the mean absolute error in physical quantities A and B respectively. So delta A is the error in A and delta B is error in B. Therefore, the measured values of A and B are A plus or minus delta A, and for B it is B plus or minus delta B. Here, these are the values of quantities A and B. Now let Z equal to A plus B. So let Z is the result after adding the two physical quantities A and B. Now here we are interested and we want to find the error in Z, that is delta Z. So here the given physical quantity is expressed as a sum and of two physical quantities, and we want to find the error in result, that is delta Z. So here Z plus delta Z equal to, substitute the value of this A plus delta A, इथं प्लस आहे इकडं, मग इथं प्लस करा, आपलं फक्त प्लस बघायचं सुरुवातीला मायनस नाही, आणि प्लस इथं काय बी प्लस और मायनस डेल्टा बी. काय होणार पुन्हा आता मग ह्या ठिकाणी मग हे देअरफॉर वी गेट झेड प्लस डेल्टा झेड इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी, देन प्लस और मायनस डेल्टा ए अँड दिस प्लस और मायनस डेल्टा बी. बट हियर झेड इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी, देअरफॉर हे झेड आणि हे ए प्लस बी काय होणार आहे, कॅन्सल. सो व्हॉट रिमेन्स प्लस और मायनस डेल्टा झेड इज इक्वल टू दिस प्लस और मायनस डेल्टा ए प्लस और मायनस डेल्टा बी. ना त्याचे चार पॉसिबल व्हॅल्यूज येणार, एकदा दोन्ही प्लस घ्यायचं, एकदा दोन्ही मायनस, एकदा हे प्लस आणि दुसऱ्यांदा हे मायनस, आणि फोर्थ केसमध्ये हे मायनस आणि प्लस. देर आर फोर पॉसिबल केसेस, बट द मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू विल बी प्लस डेल्टा ए प्लस डेल्टा बी. Thus, the maximum value of the absolute error in Z, that is delta Z, is delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. Thus, when we take the sum of the two physical quantities, then error in the result is the sum of the errors in the two quantities. Note down this. Now, the next is about the difference. Next is about the difference here. Similarly, we can show that if the result is expressed as difference, that is A minus B, then in this case also the error in the result, that is Z, is equal to delta A plus delta B. Thus in both the cases sum and difference काय सांगते आपल्याला मग, thus when two similar quantities are added or subtracted, then the absolute error in the final result is the sum of their absolute errors. जे बघा इथं the absolute error in the result किती आला या ठिकाणी, the sum of absolute errors in these two quantities, delta A plus delta B. आणि दोन्हीसाठी अप्लाय केलं बरं का, ॲडिशनसाठी आणि सबट्रॅक्शनसाठी. Now next one is B is the error in product and in division. म्हणजे if we want the final result after multiplying or after division of two or more quantities. So here let A plus or minus delta A and B plus or minus delta B be the measured values of A and B. Note down here delta A and delta B are the absolute errors in A and B respectively. Now let Z equal to A into B. The multiplication पहिल्यांदा आपलं product बघायचं आहे and we want to find the error here in Z, that is we want to find the error in Z, that is delta Z आपल्याला काढायचं. काय लिहितं मला मग Z plus or minus delta Z is equal to A ची व्हॅल्यू भरा A plus or minus delta A into B ची व्हॅल्यू ही भरायची B plus or minus delta B. Now multiply the second bracket by first bracket, we get this like this here. Again here Z is equal to AB, त्यामुळे काय होणार इकडचा हा Z आणि इकडचा AB काय होणार हा cancel. So what remains plus or minus delta Z is equal to this remains only here because Z is equal to AB, Z आणि AB काय होणार दोन्हीकडचे cancel. Now dividing the LHS by Z and RHS by AB, थोडक्यात काय दोन्ही बाजूला we are dividing by the Z but Z is equal to AB. So here we are dividing the LHS by Z and RHS by AB. काय होणार मग LHS ला delta Z upon Z here, multiplying each term on the right hand side by AB. LHS as it is. इथं काय होणार मग AA get cancel, delta B upon B plus or minus. इथं BB get cancel, what remains delta A upon A. परत इथं काय होणार आहे plus or minus delta A upon A into delta B upon delta B. Now here delta A and delta B, that is the absolute error in A and B, are very small compared to A and B, and therefore neglecting the product of delta A upon A into delta B upon delta B, because these two quantities are very small and their product is also very small, so neglecting that, what remains then the maximum relative error in Z into AB is what remains delta Z upon Z is equal to delta A upon A plus delta B upon delta B. इथं मायनस काय झालं हे मगासारखंच, इथं जर मागं प्लस और मायनस आहेच आहे याचा अर्थ काय इथे प्लस और मायनस आहेच आहे, म्हणजे परत बघासारखं काय तर चार पॉसिबल केसेस येणार, दोन्ही प्लस किंवा दोन्ही मायनस, एक प्लस आणि एक मायनस किंवा फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी मायनस आणि दुसरी प्लस. आपल्याला मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे, दोन्ही काय घेतलं पाहिजे मग प्लस. सो मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू ऑफ रिलेटिव्ह एरर इज दिस इज. हे ठीक आहे, इथे रिलेटिव्ह एररची आपण सकाळी मागच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपण डेफिनेशन बघितली. दिस इट इज ए रेशो ऑफ absolute error to its true value. So these are the relative error in A, this is relative error in B, and this is the relative error in result. Similarly here this is for multi-product. Similarly we can prove that if Z is equal to A upon B, that is division of two physical quantity, then also we get the same result. थोडक्यात आपलं काय सांगतात in short मग addition and subtraction circle. Thus when the two quantities are multiplied or divided, then the maximum relative error in the result is the sum of their relative error. So the maximum relative error in the result is equal to the sum of the relative errors. So this is the result for multiplication and division, both दोघांसाठी एकच हा result. Now the next is about error due to the power of measure quantity. जर समजा गृहीत धरा we have to measure the area of a rectangle. For that we measure length, we have to find the area of a square. Area of a square. मग what is the formula for area of square? Area equal to L square. म्हणजे ते कसं असणार मग error due to power of a measure quantity. Here the measured quantity is length, L square म्हणजे power of measured quantity length. So how to obtain error in such cases? Let plus or minus A delta A be the error in A, and if Z is equal to A raised to n, then we can prove that delta z upon z, that is error in the result, is equal to n times the relative error in A. हा रिझल्ट अगदी सहज आपल्याला ऑब्टेन करता येतो बाय युझिंग द एरर इन प्रॉडक्ट. एरर इन प्रॉडक्टचं आपण रूल यूज करून आपल्याला सहजपणे डिटरमाइन करता येतं. ह्याच्यावर तुम्हाला जास्त करून तुम्हाला हे न्यूमरिकल्स असणार आहे. थिअरी तुम्हाला काही ह्याच्यामध्ये विचारली जाणार नाही, पण तुम्हाला हे सगळी थिअरी समजून घेणं फार महत्त्वाचं आहे. ही सगळी थिअरी तुम्हाला माहीत असणं आवश्यक आहे. देन वी कॅन सॉल्व द numericals. Now how to solve numericals after theory is completed, we will solve numericals. Okay, thank you.